Mr. Velez. So, as always, go to Google, find that Mr. Velez will try music. It's gonna take you to my website. Then go to Music Tech. Go to aQwertyon, which is the keyboard that we're doing in our Chromebook. And then this might be changing because I'm updating all the time, but the songs will be there. We did any of those 10 songs. We did the Let It Rain. Now we're gonna go to Sweet Home Alabama. Click here. This is in another key. This is part 3. When the music is in a key, let's say the music is in the C key, then you have to come here and set it up in C, either high or low. That will be up to you. Okay, Sweet Home Alabama is in the key of G. So here you need to set it up to G. And then G3 is good for me because we need D, C, and G. And you can do it with your right or your left. I prefer my left. This kind of shape is easier. Or if you do it with your right, it will be this way. This one is not too bad, so this one is fine. So it's only 3 chords, D, C, and G. And D is using D, F sharp, A. C is using C, E, G. And then G, G, B, D. You can see it there. But I'm gonna do it with my right. With your with my left, sorry. With your right, you can do it this way. Kind of hard, so let's do it with my left hand. Now that it's set it up to G, I can play the song. Here we go. That's the idea. Okay, so that's the idea. If you do it with your left or with your right, that's up to you. I will say practice both ways so you know and you are learning more. So this is part 3. Thank you so much. See you next time. See you in part 4. Please give it a like. And thank you. Bye.